We're going to talk about proper device accessories, and we're going to talk about care. On your meter, regardless of manufacturer, you're going to make sure you keep that probe clean. We don't want to see any outside tracking. We don't want to have dirt. We don't want to have grease. We don't want to have calibration stickers. Maybe someone is so in love with their tool that they put truck number blah, 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 lineman da, da, da. Don't do that, all right? You can do all that on the housing. That's wonderful. Put all that on the housing. Hot stick wipes. Use a hot stick wipe. When you're done using these tools at the end of the day, wipe them down prior to placing them in your box for transit. Always keep them in storage, whether it's a bag, whether it's a phone box. Always put them in storage. Protect the tool. Don't lay these in the truck as you're going back to the service center, your district center, and they start bouncing around in the bin with all the other things. Don't do that. Always store them so you keep them safe and sound. All right? We had some folks. I had a call to Colombia, South America, talking about buying our tools, and they're like, "Man, your tools are a little more expensive than these guys." And I said, "Hey, lower your price." I said, "Wait. We're not going to lower our price at all for you guys. Why? Because these housings were tested with a half-ton truck driving over top of it. Okay? You take our competitors and you drive over their housings, their tool with a half-ton truck, watch what happens. Oh, and you want to take it in for repair? You want to mail it and get it repaired? Huh. Watch what happens. Oh, no can do. It's a throwaway tool. You got to buy a new one. Huh? That doesn't make any sense. So, anyways, take care of these. They'll last you your lifetime, your entire career. Take care of them. And what happens is when you're ready to retire, you're going to hand them down to that apprentice. And you're going to show them how to take care of these tools, how to use them properly. All right? It's so important. Also, when you're using these tools, they all come with a hot stick adapter right here. Universal grip all right? You can use the metal ones. We got metal ones too. And these go, again, right on that. Make sure your battery's good. Your battery's good. Put on that hot stick adapter. Then what you're going to do is you're going to use the proper accessory on that cone tip. And we're going to talk about that. I'm going to go back here and pick up something. So all of our tools come with straight probe, hook probe, hot stick adapter. The bushing adapter, you're going through feed-throughs, doing some underground. The bushing adapter is optional. If you're working overhead and underground, make sure you're using that bushing adapter. I've done training around the country, and I've seen some folks, they're using probes without cover up. And they're going into that hot bushing just with the metal probe on primary. What if that metal probe without cover up, like we put on nice cover up, what if that primary potential, what if there was a bleed wire, a concentric nearby? What if? A static wire. Arc flash, man, full potential. No good. That ain't no good. Make sure you use the proper accessories. And you're going to put those right on the end of that cone tip. If you all are not using the proper accessory, the straight probe, hook probe, bushing adapter, and just using the cone tip, we call that a shortcut. And we're going to go more into that later in just a little bit, why you don't do that. That's a shortcut. It's an unsafe work practice. All right? The best work practices are to go ahead and use the proper adapter. Everybody got that?